Hello, welcome to the channel. Today is wash day. I'm just taking you through what I am doing today. So first of all, I'm going to start with a hot oil treatment. Guys, normally I make my own hot oil treatment, but today I decided to use this store-bought one. It's very small and this is my first time of using it. So yeah, first impression. What I did was put it in some uh, warm water for about 3 minutes to warm it up before using it. Guys, this hot oil treatment has some sleep and I love it so much. I love anything that has sleep because it will help with the detangling process. It was so soothing, felt so good on my hair. Now, I don't do a hot oil treatment every time I want to wash my hair. It all depends on what my hair needs. What I'm doing is applying it to my scalp and also applying it to my hair. Guys, I'm really loving this hot oil treatment. Applying it generously to my hair. This thing is small, but guys, it really did well and went a long way. I finished it all on my hair and yeah, it went round. After applying the hot oil treatment, the instruction says to cover your hair for about 10 minutes. So I did mine for 15 minutes. Yeah. I covered my hair for 15 minutes. I put a nylon bag over my hair for this 15 minutes. After that, I what after that I proceeded to detangling my hair properly before washing it. Guys, this detangling process has to be a gentle one. You can't just yank at your hair. If you just keep pulling and pulling your hair and detangling it with force, it's most likely going to break. And I don't detangle the hair dry. I spritz some water on the hair before detangling it properly, and I do all this in sections. This helps to make sure that every part of your hair is taken care of. After the 15 minutes, I'm going to proceed to washing the hair. But today I'm using a shampoo. I know I've not shown you guys this shampoo. It is not expensive, but it is so good. It is mentholated. It is a deep cleansing shampoo. Guys, this thing does the job. And I'm following the instructions too on the container. What it says is apply the shampoo to your hair, cover your hair for a deep cleansing for about 15 minutes before washing it out. So because I'm going to do that, I'm not going to go into the shower before applying the shampoo. I'm just going to saturate my hair with some water, warm water, and apply it so that I'll be able to do other things in in those 15 minutes before going into the shower to wash the hair. This thing has a tingling sensation. It is, like I said, it's mentholated. It has menthol in it, so you feel it on your scalp. The first time I used it, I was quite surprised at how menthol it was, but I think I've gotten used to it. It's not something I use very often. I use it when I know that my hair needs some really, really deep cleansing, and it lathers so much. This shampoo lathers a lot. My hair was really dirty, so it lifted up the dirt. This shampoo lifts the dirt from your hair. It is not expensive, like I said, but it is good. It is not a paid promotion. This shampoo is one of the secrets I found out in 2022. I just happened to come upon it and I decided to try it to see how it was, since it wasn't expensive. And guys, it is good. I'm concentrating on my scalp. With the shampoo, I'm concentrating on mostly on the scalp to, cleanse the scalp very well so my scalp will be clean. It will be clean. After 15 minutes, it's time to wash the hair. The shower wasn't coming out the way I wanted it, so I decided to use a scoop, a cup to scoop the water so that I'll be able to wash it properly. After washing the initial shampoo, I decided to go in one more time with the shampoo to wash the hair, to wash my hair again. Guys, just a little I put and it lathered so much. My hair is really, really clean. You can see that every step I walk in sections just to make it easier for me. It is very important to make sure your scalp is clean because your hair grows from your scalp. If your scalp isn't clean, your hair is not going to be healthy. After washing it out, and my next step is to apply a deep conditioner to my hair. I just skipped the conditioning process altogether since I was going to deep condition my hair. Again, I'm applying the deep conditioner section by section to make sure every part of my hair gets this. And I'm really concentrating on the tips and the lower half of my hair because that's the oldest part of my hair and that's the most fragile part of my hair. Even though I detangled my hair with the hot oil treatment, as I'm applying the deep conditioner, I'm detangling again because my hair has curled up. Especially at the back, my hair is quite thick and tightly coiled. After the deep conditioner, I cover a shower cap and I'm waiting for 30 minutes before washing it out. After the 30 minutes, I combed the hair out again to detangle before washing it, and this is how it looks after washing the deep conditioner from my hair. From there, I proceed to applying a leave-in treatment on my hair. Immediately, my hair is not dry at all. I dried my hair with a t-shirt, so it still has some water in it. I'm applying the leave-in treatment generously to my hair. Again, I'm concentrating on the oldest part of my hair so that it doesn't break. It's the most fragile. After applying the leave-in conditioner, I seal this in with a butter. This is to make sure that the moisture I've gotten today does not escape quickly. I'm going to proceed to styling it tomorrow. Guys, this wash day took quite a while. I'm just going to let it in these 4 twists until I'm ready to style it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.